Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect the Wii console. First, locate the AV multi-out port on the back of your Wii. Connect the Wii AV cable to this port. Then, take the three color-coded RCA connectors, yellow for video and red and white for audio, and plug them into the corresponding input jacks on your television. This establishes the basic video and audio connection for your console. Next, let's set up the sensor bar. This small device is crucial for tracking your Wii Remote's movements. You can place it either directly above or below your television screen, ensuring it is centered. The sensor bar should be within 10 feet of your primary playing area for optimal performance. Finally, connect the AC adapter to the Wii and plug it into a standard wall outlet to provide power to your console. For a better visual experience, consider upgrading your connection. While the standard AV cable works, a component cable offers improved standard definition quality. It uses 5 color-coded connectors for a clearer picture. Even better, you can use an HDMI adapter, which converts the Wii's output to a digital HDMI signal. This provides the best possible picture quality on modern high-definition televisions, enhancing your gaming visuals significantly. Once all your cables are connected, it's time for the final steps. Turn on your television and use your TV remote to select the correct input source where your Wii is connected. Then, press the power button on your Wii console to turn it on. To sync your Wii remote, open the battery cover and press the small red sync button, then press the sync button on the Wii console. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete your initial setup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.